I'ma serve, I'm spinning.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Bonnie and today I'm coming at you with another video. Well, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for the support and the love. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to give your girl some love simply by clicking on that red subscribe button down below and liking this video and also leaving some few comments. I would really much appreciate that. Well, today's video is a DIY project video. This is an actual DIY project that you can use and that can be really helpful for you guys. It's more similar to that phone case DIY project if you recall it, but then the difference is that here I'm dealing with a purse, baby. Yeah, so to keep this intro short, I'm basically just gonna get right into the video. This purse is still so cute, even though it's old and it has lost its cover. It was so red in color before. I always look into ways to upcycle things, like the phone case DIY video that I posted. Yeah, if you recall it. So I didn't want to throw away the purse, so I thought it would be best if I upcycle it into its current form simply by giving it a new cover. First of all, as you can see, I'm applying the glue on the outside of the purse. The glue that I'm using here is actually the one that I just happened to find in my room. Okay, I know this part is so unnecessary, but I wanted to show you guys what the super glue does to my hands. So if you know any glue that you would like to recommend to me, please mention it in the comment section because I really hate super glue.